Hi everyone, today I am showing you how to replace a iPad 8 screen. All iPad Air series are the same. Heat it gently sides and apply isopropyl alcohol and remove gently the screen and use the plastic tools to separate the digitizer. Be patient, this part will take some time. And try to take any plastic thing or stapler to lean your screen there and carefully disconnect the digitizer and LCD cables. Remove all screws securing the connector and keep track of all screws. They were tiny and easy to lose. Now disconnect the digitizer and LCD cables. After that, clean the all frame. If in case it is hard to remove, use some isopropyl alcohol, then it will come smoothly. Now connect the new digitizer and LCD cables. Secure them with screws and test the screen before sealing. If you once confirmed, apply adhesive and press the screen into the place. Power on the iPad and test the touch responses. If everything works, that's great.